Good day. We continue our lessons on percentages, looking at the question involving profit and loss. From the sale of a landed property, an estate agent made a profit of 25%. If the profit is 12,500 Ghana cedis, calculate the cost price of the landed property. Let's jump straight into it. So regarding this question, you know there are several ways profits can be identified. 1. Profit is equal to our selling price minus our cost price. Then from the question, you have the profit, we have the profit percent. And our profit percent formula is given by our selling price minus our cost price all over our cost price multiplied by 100. But from the question given, we cannot be using this formula over here. Why? Because we don't know the selling price, we don't know the cost price. There are two unknown quantities in there. Therefore, we cannot use this formula. So, you can say that let X equals the cost price of the property. Now, if X is the cost price of the property, we are being told that after the agent sold the property, he made a profit of 25%, which therefore says that now 25%, which is 25 over 100, times the cost price of the property, which is X, equals 12,500. Because you are being told that he made a profit of 12,500, which in percentage wise it is 25%. So our 25% giving us a profit of 12,500. We find X from this, which is 25X is equal to, that is, we are multiplying through by this 100. So 100 times this will give us 1,250,000. Divide here by 25, here by 25. Now what are we getting for X? X is equal to, that is 25 goes into 125 is 5 times. So that is 5. Then we add our 4 zeros, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 50,000. Therefore, our cost price of the landed property is 50,000 Ghana cedis. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.